Today, we will demonstrate the replacement of Soup 23 Chikwasa. Loosen the 3 screws of the QBH lock. Pull out the copy H-lock. Cover with American paper to prevent dust from entering. Loosen the locking ring. For collimating lens replacement. Notice that the convex side of the lens faces up. After the replacement is completed, install the pressure ring back. Put back the locking ring. Put the copy lock back on the gun. Note that the bottom marker points are aligned with the top screw. Locking screws. Collimating lens replacement completed.